summer with the Republican nominee facing a fraud trial. Hillary Clinton saying...
What's up, buddy? Where's your seatbelt? What's that? Why isn't it on now? Where's your seatbelt?
I just had it on. I was readjusting because I'm at a...
You're driving. There's no excuses. It's the law and it's the policy. Alright, I'll show Tom this tape, no problem. And nothing will be done because you guys are hypocrites. Fucking hypocrite.
Sorry?
You're a hypocrite. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.
Sir.
Sir, what? You want to break the law? You want to break the law. You want to break the law.
I'm not going to break the laws.
You're doing it right now by not having your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on, hypocrite. Put your seatbelt on, hypocrite. Jackass. Fucking loser.